Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a pack with me video that you guys did request because I did ask some of you guys on Instagram if you'd like to see a pack with me video for my upcoming trip to New Orleans. If you didn't know, I am going to New Orleans this Thursday. Today is September 30th and I'm leaving on October 3rd, I think so, or October 4th. Which is Thursday, because I'm celebrating my cousin's bachelorette party. She is getting married in December, so we're flying out there. I'm going to be staying there from Thursday, our flight is landing at 6 p.m. So we'll be there Thursday night, all day Friday, all day Saturday, and we're leaving Sunday morning. So it should be a fun little trip. Of course, I will be vlogging because it is going to be Vlogtober, which is currently Vlogtober, depending on when I upload this. But it is going to be a Vlogtober, so I will be vlogging, so don't worry about that. And I will also be doing a travel diary video with you guys because you guys also did request that as well. So I'm going to be sharing some of the items that I'm bringing, or most of them. Some of them I won't be sharing just because some of those items include my camera, which I'm actually using right now, but I will be taking this camera to do more of the fancier videos. And yeah, so mostly everything that I'm sharing is what I'm bringing, besides underwear and stuff. I don't think you guys need to know those items that I'm bringing. But before we get into it, if you guys do enjoy these kind of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, so you don't miss any upcoming videos from me, please hit that notification bell down below so you know when I upload a new video. And also, if you like to keep watching my videos, please hit that big red subscribe button down below. It will help me out so much. So let's just jump right into it. If you guys are ready for this video, just keep on watching. So the first items that I'm going to be sharing are shoes that I'm bringing, and I'll be bringing my Stan Smiths and also these yellow sandals from Public Desire. I decided to bring just 2 pairs of shoes. The Stan Smiths I'm going to be wearing on the plane, so I won't really have to pack that and it won't be too bulky in my bag. But I got them because my theme is still going to be green, so I decided that they would be perfect for what I'm going to be wearing, just to brighten up my outfit but also stay comfortable. And then for these yellow shoes, I'm actually going to be wearing when I go out one night, and I just thought that they were a great height because the heel is pretty short and it's pretty comfortable to wear around at night, especially if we're going to be walking to bars and stuff like that. But I just really love the color fit. It's really going to match the outfits that I'm wearing if I do decide to wear it more than once. But I just thought these 2 shoes would be perfectly fine just to bring by themselves. The next item is the carry-on bag that I'm bringing, and this is just a crossbody bag that I got from, I believe it was Urban Outfitters about 3 or so years ago. I'm not really sure, but it's just this rusty orange color and it's very comfortable. It has a handle at the top and then a long strap, and inside it has a lot of room, and in there I'm going to be carrying my laptop and camera stuff, including my books and whatever I want to have with me. The next items that I'm bringing are 2 bags. There's this short one that I got from Amazon for only 15 bucks, and I'm using this for my nice handbag during the day to carry my camera stuff in. But then I also got a handbag from Amazon for about 15 bucks as well. And this is my night out bag, and this is yellow one to match those yellow sandals I got. And as you can see, it's very compact. You can fold it up to a flat, piece of paper almost. And then you can open it up like this when you're ready to use it. So it's really great to pack in your bag and to save room instead of just being really bulky. Since the other bags are kind of big, I decided it'll help save some room, and it's really nice. I love the style of it, very modern and retro at the same time, and I just thought it would really match my outfits I'm going to be wearing. So the first outfit that I'm bringing is this green skirt. It's like a ruffled trim skirt, and also this crop top tank top, and this is going to match with the Stan Smiths. I'm going to be wearing this on the Saturday that we're going to be there, and I just thought this will look very Spanishy style and match the theme of down there because I think of purple and green, but hopefully it looks really good. The next outfit I'm bringing is this brown jumpsuit, and I'm going to be pairing it with this green belt that I got from ASOS. Also, all these clothing items I'm showing you are from ASOS. They have a really great collection and different kind of clothing that you can really get. And I got the green belt, so once again go with the Stan Smiths. And you will be seeing this in some Instagram posts or even a lookbook if I have time to film it, but I just thought that would be really comfortable to walk around during our plantation tour that we're going on. And then this last outfit is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing on our night out, just at clubs, or I don't even know if it's at clubs or just a bar, but it's just a jumpsuit that's cropped to the leg, and it's like multicolor, which I thought would look really nice with the yellow shoes that I have, and with that yellow bag as well. So it's going to be really nice and breathable, especially in that humid weather down there. The next thing is my toiletry bag, and this is not exactly my toiletry bag. This is just the bag that I'm using to bring any liquid items I have, because as you know, TSA has to approve liquid items, so that includes concealers, shampoos, conditioners, deodorant, all that jazz. I just put it into this bag that I got from Amazon. It was only about $6, and I think that was really worth it, but it fit all my stuff that I needed, and hopefully I get through the security. I am bringing some sunglasses even though it's supposed to rain, so I have these Ray-Ban style ones that are just this brown color, very natural and easy to wear. Then I have these 90s style, which I don't know if it'll really match my outfits, but I just really like them, so I thought to have a backup sunglasses. And then the last one are just these black ones. You can never go wrong with black sunglasses. Next is another bag, and this one is just a green clutch. It is a little bit dirty. I had it for a while, but I got this to also match my Stan Smiths because I just thought I should have a little clutch in case I have another night outfit, and it'll hold a lot in it. I don't have to worry about a big bag I'm holding, just a little pouch to put my wallet, my money, and my phone in if I need to. In my carry-on, I am bringing my vlog camera because, as you guys know, it is Vlogtober, so I will be vlogging this trip. Just my Canon G7X Mark II. I probably said that wrong, but I'm definitely going to be bringing that, as well as my film camera. I'm still not sure about this because I do have to buy more Polaroid film, but if I do, it will really come in handy to keep those cute little memories on my wall. And I'm also thinking about bringing my regular film camera, my 35mm. But I'm still not sure if I want to pack all of that, so I might just stick to the Canon camera plus my camera that I'm using to film this video, which is my Sony a7S II. And for my camera, I'm going to be bringing my monopod and my chargers so I can be able to charge my batteries, because let's face it, this Sony camera, the battery dies really fast, so I need to make sure I have my chargers on me at all times. To keep me company on the train, I'm going to be bringing The Shining by Stephen King, which is the book I'm currently reading. I have it on my phone, but I also wanted the book version. It was only $6 on Amazon, which is really great. And I'm just going to be using this so I can keep my phone on airplane mode. And I'm really interested in it. I love the movie, as you guys might know, but I'm sad to say the book is kind of becoming my favorite more than the movie. For my jewelry, I will be putting in this black pouch, which actually came with a camera lens, but it was the perfect size to put the jewelry that I'm bringing. And all I'm bringing are 2 pairs of earrings and also my basic rings. The first one is this pair that I got from H&M the other day, which are just these yellow earrings, of course, to match those yellow accessories that I got. And then I got these gold face ones that I see everyone wearing, and I just thought they were cute to wear with the green skirt. This is a simple everyday sort of earring. And since there is a pool at the hotel we will be staying at, I got this yellow bathing suit that I got at the beginning of the summer at H&M. Never got to wear it, so I thought this was the perfect time to bring it out. It has these nice little cuts on the outside of them, and I just thought it would look really nice. It made me feel comfortable at the same time. For my makeup, I'm bringing it in this Victoria's Secret makeup bag that I got for Christmas last year. Surprisingly, it fits everything that I want to bring, including my brushes. It does look a little dirty and a little bit messy, but I don't mind it. As long as it can fit everything, I'm fine with that. It has this wide zipper, so it's easy to open and get to, and it's very compact and holds a lot of stuff that you wouldn't imagine. Of course, I'll need to edit all my Vlogtober videos, so I'm bringing my laptop, which is just this Apple MacBook Pro that I use every single day, and it's definitely going to come in handy because I will be needing to edit these videos, and it's just going to be really great to have, even in nights when we're just sitting in at the hotel. I can at least do something. Hopefully the Wi-Fi is great so I can upload those videos very easily, but this is definitely going to come in handy, and I definitely need to bring it. And to put all those items inside, I had my carry-on bag, and I got this from Amazon for about 35 bucks. It has these nice front pockets where you can hold a lot of stuff. I'm not really going to put anything in there because I'm going to be bringing my regular handbag, the orange one, as you guys saw. Also on the sides are these two big flaps that you can open up with these two straps that you can hold onto, and it does come with a long shoulder strap, so I will be attaching that to it. And then the big compartment where all my items will be going in, and they fit just fine. So I definitely recommend this carry-on bag. So guys, that is all the items that I will be bringing with me on this trip to New Orleans. I was able to fit all my stuff into this carry-on bag, which I am so happy that I did. So that way I don't have to go through checking in a bag and doing all that extra stuff. Not really sure what you do at airports because this is my first time flying as an adult, so I don't know the whole rules about it, but I'm just bringing this carry-on so I can just put it right on the plane and take it right with me. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Once again, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.